Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha.
And I know for a fact he does not want to come to Belfast. That was one of the main stumbling blocks, was he did not want to come here. But people are going to be chopping him to the bit here, chopping him to the bit here, chopping him to the bit here. Losing is not in my vocabulary.
Sa isang interview kay rising boxing star ng Ireland na si undefeated Jimmy Kunlan ay sinabi niyang nakikita na daw niyang nagtitraining itong si Ancajas noon dahil parehas daw ng oras ang training ni Ancajas at ng kanyang kapatid na si Michael Kunlan.
Well, Mick got the fight week, the training times was the exact same as his, so we got to see him really up close and personal on a daily basis on fight week. So yeah, good to see him. Losing is not in my vocabulary.
Nasaksihan din daw niya ang laban ni Ancajas kontra sa Hapon na si Kinoshita noong undercard sila ng labang Pacquiao versus Jeep Horn sa Brisbane. Kaya naman, may idea na daw siya sa galawan nito. Kaya sobrang confident daw siya, 100% physically at mentally, na kaya niyang talunin itong champion na si Ancajas. Nakikita daw niya na more on boxer at hindi fighter itong si Ancajas. More on technical kung lumaban at hindi brawler. Kaya ibang game plan umano ang gagawin nila. Sa isang hiwalay na interview noong October 10, 2017 ay sinabi niyang di daw talaga dadayo itong champion na si Ancajas sa kanilang lungga dahil alam daw nito na ang mga dadayo dito para makipaglaban ay tinatadtad lang daw at tinatalo. Kung sa lungga nga daw gagawin ang laban nila ay magbibigay pa ito ng extra 5% sa kanyang performance. Kumbaga, home court advantage talaga. Tila sinasabi ni Jimmy Kunlan na wala talagang pag-asang manalo ang mga dadayo para makipaglaban sa kanilang Balwarte sa bansang Ireland.
And I know for a fact he does not want to come to Belfast. That was one of the main stumbling blocks, was he did not want to come here. You know, people are going to be chopping him to the bit here. This place is going to be bouncing. It's going to be something that he's never experienced before. It's going to be something that he's not comfortable with. It's going to be that wee extra 3, 5, maybe 5% into my performance to G me up that wee bit more. Losing is not in my vocabulary.
Pero noong November 18, 2017, isang buwan lang matapos ang interview, ay naikasa ang bakbakang Ancajas kontra Kunlan at ginanap ito sa Balwarte mismo ng undefeated rising star sa Belfast, Ireland. Dumayo ang Pinoy champion. Gustong patunayan at ipakita sa Briton na mali ang mga pinagsasabi nito na matatalo ang mga dumadayo. Ang laban ay para sa pangatlong pagdipinsa ni Ancajas sa kanyang IBF World Super Flyweight title. Bit-bit ng champion na si Ancajas. Ang record na 27 wins, only 1 defeat at 18 dito via knockout. Habang malinis naman ang kartada nitong challenger na 19 wins, 0 loss, 11 via knockout. 25 pa si Ancajas habang 31 na itong si Kunlan. Sa gabi mismo ng bakbakan, ang inaasahan niyang more on boxer at hindi fighter at more on technician at hindi brawler na Pinoy ay ginulat lang siya at pati mga tagahanga niya ay napanganga. Tila isang leon. Nagutom itong si Pretty Boy Ancajas, gusto agad lapain itong rising star ng Belfast. Sabay nating balikan mga pre ang highlights ng kanilang madugo at maaksyong bakbakan para inyong makita ulit kung paano tinadtad ng kamao itong Briton at nagretiro diretso.
Losing is not in my vocabulary.
Protect yourselves at all times. Touch gloves. Come on, boys.
He needs the performance of his career and the performance of his life here. He's got to put in the performance tonight.
He's a rising young talent, and Michael's been boxing. Had some extraordinary battles, of course, just extraordinary fights that you'd ever see. Keep it long, don't get into a toe-to-toe brawl. Nice little chopping right hand there from Conlon. Oh, now, oh, what's happened here? Well, what's happened here? He's gone down for something I honestly... He just sank to the canvas, a delayed reaction. Well, and run it off. Bit different here. So I'll shut up the moment that bell goes, and let's see if we can make sense.
With the count as well, then probably a 10-8, which is really unfortunate for... Again, opting to box at distance and waiting for his opponent to
Have the power to keep Ancajas at bay, clash of heads.
and see what he's trying to do there. He's just feinting with that jab and trying to trigger the attack off from Ancajas.
That was one round the back of the head. He's going to get in trouble for that. Oh dear, and it's a bad one. Blood seeping from that damage.
Similar situations. Yeah, the crowd, John, think they can sense that their man needs a little bit of help here.
Danny Vaughan saying you've got to weather the storm. It was a clash of heads, we think. Massive. a new hero to follow in the footsteps.
Try and target that left eye of Conlon, but that's...
Oh my goodness. Solid straight right. And big body shots now. Conlon not having to... Oh, massive body shot again. Conlon, I thought momentarily was going to go down. Now huge body shots coming in again, and this time he does go down.
He's a brave kid though, John. He's on his feet. He's back up.
And down for the second time in the fight. Closing seconds of another huge round for the Filipino. More massive body shots coming in. Is he going to go down again? No, he doesn't. Somehow manages.
He hurt him to the body. Here it is. It's just a straight left hand. But Conlon, then he recovers. But then that's the green light then, isn't it, for Ancajas, just to target that body.
So that's twice down now.
Well, he'll probably target the body again, won't he? All to do is go forward and overreach, leave himself
extraordinary. Good shot. Small. Patient and methodical.
Yeah, he's patient, yeah, definitely. He's got to stay off the ropes though, John.
Now a big left hook. Here comes the big body attack again. Conlon's in trouble, in big trouble. The referee will want to see punches to come back.
Ancajas on the attack, all Ancajas at the moment. Conlon.
Ancajas is in complete command. Left hand fire. Once more the body shot. Conlon, but this time, is it 8, is it 9? He's going to allow it to continue. It was very, very marked. Downs now. Ooh. Conlon furious that it... Having a much better round here. That's uppercut though from Ancajas.
I think it was...
Another big body shot. Now is that low again? He's decided that's low, that's the third. It's not giving us a knockdown, and now it's taken away. Sorry, he says. The crowd say, is that a turning point? And down, oh, I almost went down again. This is why.
That's that low shot, just below that belt area.
6th round, it's a 12-rounder, of course, the championship distance.
Forward, he's got to avoid that jab, hasn't he, Ancajas? Very good with the straight shots as well. Straight jab, long, straight left hand.
Down he goes again. Looking a little bit bemused, and he stopped it. It's all over. A brave effort ends there for Jerwin Ancajas, and he's still champion of the world. And Conlon, I'm afraid to say, just found that he just hadn't got the armory.
And still, IBF Super Flyweight Champion of the World, Jerwin Pretty Boy Ancajas.
Look, I think the referee had probably seen enough. That was right. I mean, it's at the back of the head, if anything, side to the back.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.